Dayton Hamvention is coming up soon, and I spoke with Dayton Hamvention Chairman Jim Storms here at Orlando HamCation back in February of this year. I'm going to be showing you guys a preview of this year's Dayton Hamvention today on KFI Ham Radio.
Jim Storms, AB8YK. I am the General Chairman of Hamvention.
How many years have y'all been doing Hamvention for?
Since 1952, so it's what, 74 years or something like that. So it's been a lot of years and a lot of fun. Okay, the big thing about Hamvention is the world's largest Hamvention in the world, or the hamfest, and we have all the major vendors there. We have a lot of smaller vendors. We have all flea market people, lots and lots of stuff for sale. We have really good food. We have food trucks there, so and it's a reasonably priced food. So you can find all your latest radio gear, get some food, get some ice cream, talk to your friends from around the world, because we do have a lot of international people that come to this event.
And what's your favorite part of getting to come out to all the hamfests?
Well, get to see all these people that we see, talk to them about Hamvention, talk to them about radio hobby, and that's the biggest thing is all the people you meet and friends. There was people here from the Netherlands a little bit earlier that we were talking to. The people we talked to on the air that from Dominican Republic were here, that we were able to just see each other face to face and not just talk on the radio.
Is there anything new this year that y'all haven't done in previous years?
Well, every 2 years, ARL has their national convention. This year it is at Hamvention, so there'll be special events going on just for ARL. They've got a special youth emphasis and a youth program they're going to have this year. So I want to look at ARL and see about that. But that's the big thing is just you see all your friends, and that's what's really important. Well, just invite everybody to come, have a great time. There's a lot of things to do in the Dayton Xenia area, a lot of Air Force Museum and other things to see and do, and bring the family, have some fun.
What's the pricing like for tickets for Hamvention?
Okay, prior to the show, they're $26. You can order them online at our website, hamvention.org, and at the show, they're $30.
$30, all right.
And kids actually get in free. So if you order tickets online and you've got kids you want to bring, just note on there how many and we'll send you kids tickets.